In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot LocalSend Android mobile app. So if your app keeps on crashing or it is malfunctioning, then let me show you how you can solve this challenge. Now for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be able to work on any other Android smartphone. All you need to do is to go and look for settings and tap on it. Now from here, scroll down until you see apps. And here's apps option. Tap on it to open. Then look for this option called manage apps. And then you'll see a list of all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From here, scroll down until you find the LocalSend app. And mine is here. Tap on it to open. So we are interested in this app information page. Alternatively, to get there, you can just long press on your app and then tap on this app information. It will still take you to the same page. Now from here, we are interested in clearing the app information. And if we go to storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data. Now cache are small files that are stored on your app when you use it. And these files are stored to enhance the performance of your app. However, when they accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. So all you need to do is to clear the cache information or cache files on your app. So to do so, use the clear data button that is here. Tap on it and then choose the second option, clear cache, and tap on OK. Now from here, go and restart your smartphone and then try opening your app and it should work just fine. But should this not solve your problem, then it's time to go to Play Store and look for your app. And here's the app. Go ahead and tap on it to open. Then look for any update. If it is available, you'll see it here. And go ahead and update your app. Now this will install the latest version of your app and then go ahead and open it. One of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning might be because you are using the outdated form of your LocalSend app. Should this not work, then go ahead and uninstall your app, then install it afresh and come open it. At this point, everything should work fine with your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.